it's been 6 months. It seems like a long time, but I mean, right here I'm looking at the raised training facility. There's still fences that are crooked. There's still batting cages that look like you took a piece of styrofoam and crumpled it up. There's still roofs with blue tarps all over them. So really, we're here to help our community out. The 2022 Sportster. So this is the last of the Mohicans here. It started out as an 883 iron that we turned into the Sportster. Back in October, which is about 6 months ago now, we were hit by a Category 4, almost a Category 5 hurricane for hours and hours on end. A lot of our staff lost lots of things, lost their homes, lost their roofs, lost their belongings. So we decided what a better way to give back than to build a badass bike and raffle it off. So there's a link below for you to click and enter in order to win this bike, and all the proceeds will go back to our local community to help rebuild from Hurricane Ian. Started as an 883 iron 2022, discontinued into 2023. So we got Legends all over it. We took the Legends colors as the theme for the bike. So we took the Legends shocks here with the colors in the teal and the gray and finished it all in here. So this is a new aftermarket rear fender. So we also did taller suspension front and rear. We did a Screaming Eagle 1250 kit on it. This thing is just totally badass. It rips. It's like no other Sportster I've ever ridden before. So it's tons of fun for a great cause. We're partnering up with Shade Tree Surgeon, who I'm sure you'll see a video on his YouTube channel, because he's going to be the next one to take it and show it off and ride it around and talk about it to help raise a bunch of money for a good cause. In other words, to sum it up, it looks good, it rides well, it can go off-road and on-road, and it's fast.
And it can be yours.
And it can be yours. Just click the link below, buy a ticket. Again, it really is for a good cause. If you've never been through a hurricane, you don't ever want to go through one, and you know, it lasts a long time. It takes years to recover, so financially it's a big burden. So we're really going to help the community out by giving away a badass bike.